Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotix. In this tutorial, we are going to design a simple alarm system in Tinkercad. Step 1. From the component panel, select a piezo, buzzer, a push button, a 9-volt battery, an LED, and a resistor and place them on the workplane as shown here. Step 2. Connect one end of the resistor to the anode of the LED and the other end to one of the terminals of the push button. Step 3. Connect the buzzer's positive leg to the push button's terminal as shown here. Step 4. Connect the opposite terminal of the push button to the positive terminal of the battery. Step 5. Connect the negative leg of the buzzer to the cathode of the LED and then to the negative terminal of the battery as shown here. Now, click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action.